Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Subscribers versus views. Why it really doesn't matter and what does. I'm going to share my experience with that, some research that I've done. So make sure you watch this all the way through to the end. Got some extra bonus points, power tips, something off the script. You will not get it anywhere else. Let's do it. So if you're watching this video right now, you're probably someone who has your own YouTube channel. Maybe you've been on YouTube for a while. The idea of viewers versus subscribers. Which one is the best? I'm going to share with you why that really doesn't matter. My own research on that. I went to Google. I checked out the whole scenery. It says, what does it mean if my channel gets most of its views from returning viewers? This indicates that a channel has a loyal audience who is likely to return to watch more. It's common to see this trend among channels that upload consistent content about similar topics and in a familiar format. So when it comes to viewers versus subscribers, that really doesn't matter. What really matters, what I found, is the return factor, that return ability. How can we get viewers to come back watching our videos? So the first thing I want to share with you on this return factor, I've learned to make videos that have a similar topic, something that has a topic that covers certain things that we do. That's the first thing that has worked for me when it comes to getting viewers to come back. Let's just say you clicked onto one of my videos, right? You clicked onto one of my videos, or you didn't even click. It kind of showed up top 10 ways to run a marathon. I don't know if you'd be ready to watch that because that's not something I usually would do. So think about that when it comes to your channel. How can we make videos with a similar topic? That is one of the main things that has helped me when it comes to having a subscribability, having viewers coming in, viewers versus subscribers. It really doesn't matter. What really matters is the return factor. Can we get others to return to our channels? And the first thing that has helped me in that is to make videos with a similar topic. Second thing that has helped me is to make sure my video links are in a certain format. I use what I created, which is the 3-5-8 rule. 3-5-8. Let's get the obvious out the way. 8 minutes. Think about the fact of you getting monetized. Let's say you want to get into the YouTube Partner Program, which is one of my goals. It says right here, when you upload videos that are 8 minutes or longer, you can enable ads during the middle of the video, known as mid-rolls, in addition to having them at the beginning and at the ends of your video. The thing about that, some content doesn't allow for it and some content does. Now, you know I wouldn't trip. You know I would not put a mid-roll in one of my videos, interrupt your viewing experience. But maybe you have that type of content. If your content calls for it and if it allows to actually have a mid-roll with your videos. 5 minutes is what I picked because it's easy for me to sacrifice 5 minutes on a video that I know is worth watching. 5 minutes is easy to connect with. That's where the 5 comes in. The 3 minutes is what I picked up from Sean Cannel at Think Media. He talks about how when you meet someone, when you first meet them, you're not gonna go to the beach and stay overnight in a hotel and get married on the next day, right? So what I've learned to do on my channel is to make different lengths of videos. And the 3 minutes is for those that I'm just coming in, just like you may be new to the channel. You probably are not going to commit to a 20-minute video, but 3 minutes is easy to digest. So follow what I call the 3-5-8 rule. As a matter of fact, what I've learned is that time is money. Time is not only money for us as we begin to build our channels and make money from our content, but it's also money when it comes to our viewers. Their time is their money. They're sacrificing their times to watch us. So that's the second thing that has helped me make my videos follow the 3-5-8 rule. Now, before we go to number 3, just want to take some time, show some love. All my subscribers, all my family, you've been putting it down, coming back, the cash apps, the donations, the investments, all of that really means a lot. And if you're new here, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, subscribe. Hit that bell and be the first to get my next video. Join the family. The third thing that has helped me when it comes to returnability, getting my viewers to come back, is to build a reputation for showing up. Ever since I did my relaunch, I decided that there was an opportunity for me to put up a video, whether it's once every week, whether it's once every day, whether it's once every month, building a reputation for showing up, because I found out that when I show up, my viewers show up, my subscribers show up. Subscribers versus views. It really doesn't matter. What really matters is the return factor. And one of the main ways that I've gotten others to show back up and to keep coming back, watching my content over and over, is I've built a certain reputation for showing up. Think about that in your channel. be able to show up. Then you can walk with that confidence. You can hold your head up high. You can feel good about what you're doing, able to have fun. And we're going to get back into that, more about fun in a minute. But that's one thing that I've learned, showing up. So think about that when it comes to your channel, when it comes to subscribers and views. What can you do to build that reputation? For example, sometimes we can do batch recording. That's when you maybe record 2 or 3 videos. I had times when I recorded 2 or 3 videos, but only upload 1 and keep 1 for the shelf for later on. We'll talk more about that. But that's the third thing that has helped me when it comes to returning back to my channel. How can I get viewers to come back? Using that return factor, building a reputation of showing up. Just showing up, being a part of the family. So think about that in your channel. What can you do to get others to show back up? And the third thing that has helped me is building a reputation to show up. Because when I show up, they'll show up. Now I do have some extra PowerPoint, some pro tips, something that I want to share with you. But before I do that, if you've enjoyed this so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let others know this video, this video. Let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button. Thank you. So now the first extra bonus point that I want to share with you, it deals mostly with having fun. Remember I talked about earlier, building that reputation of showing up. The one thing that has helped me is to make it where I can have fun with it. You know, think about what you're doing on your channel. The simpler topics that kind of relates to that first point, making videos with a similar topic. It's a topic that you can be excited about. What do you wake up being excited about? When somebody talks to you, what are they asking your advice on? Think about that. What excites you? What gets you in the mode for talking? What is something that you could talk about for the rest of your life? Think about that. We're in this thing for the long term. So make sure you're having fun. Doing what you're doing, make sure it's something that you can enjoy it. I always say if you're not able to enjoy it, you might not want to do it. Second PowerPoint that I want to share with you, it deals with what I talked about earlier, that batch recording. Remember that? If you have the time and you're able to do so, I've had times where I recorded several videos, having them ready and not even need them. As a matter of fact, I'll share this right here with you. I've got several videos right now that I've already recorded. They're sitting on the shelf, just waiting for me to release them, unlisted. And if something happens, maybe something might happen and I may have to go out of town, or I might get sick, or anything could happen. Those are videos that I already have lined up waiting for me. So think about that on your channel. What can you do to record videos in a batch recording, or maybe recording once a day and only uploading maybe twice a month? Always having videos on the shelf. There's another PowerPoint that has helped me. Always having extra videos so that if something happened, you always got something to go for. And another thing, when we think about this recording, subscribers or views, really doesn't matter. What matters is getting them to come back. And one of the ways that I've learned to do that is to build up a reputation with the YouTube system, triggering that algorithm. And one of the ways that I've been able to do that is to get my views up, to increase my views. Check out this playlist right here. I want to share that with you, how to increase your views on YouTube. I put those videos together. I think they would be great for you to watch next. So check those videos out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Check out my books and my music with the Amazon sites and the links in the description. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level.